When it comes to keeping your gear clean, electric air dusters have become one of the most efficient and eco-friendly tools you can own. Whether it's computer keyboards, camera lenses, car interiors, or workshop tools, these compact devices deliver powerful airflow without the waste of traditional canned air. So in this video, I've put together a list of the 7 best electric air dusters that stand out for power, battery life, and real value for the money. Number 1. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster. When I look at the WOLFBOX MF50, I see a model that perfectly balances performance with portability. It's incredibly light, coming in at just 7.2 ounces. This low weight is great for long cleaning sessions where arm fatigue can become an issue. The standout feature here is the battery life. It uses a 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery and boasts a massive working time range of 19 minutes to 240 minutes. Charging time is quite respectable at 3.5 hours. If you prioritize a lightweight design and the longest possible overall runtime on a single charge for varied tasks, the WOLFBOX MF50 is definitely one to consider. Number 2. FRESMOL Compressed Air Duster. Moving over to the FRESMOL Compressed Air Duster, this is where you start seeing serious, high-performance specs that appeal to the power user. The first thing that jumps out is the raw power provided by its 100,000 RPM motor. That kind of speed translates directly into immense airflow and superior cleaning force. This unit packs a much larger battery capacity at 7,500 mAh, requiring 3 lithium-ion batteries to power it. It weighs a bit more, at 1.1 pounds, but that added weight is likely housing the higher capacity battery and more powerful motor. It features a Type-C fast charging cable with a charge time of around 3.5 to 4 hours. Number 3. Fanttik B10 Pro Electric Air Duster. The Fanttik B10 Pro is a serious contender for users who prioritize a lightweight, compact form factor without sacrificing essential features. At only 275 grams, this is one of the lightest units we're analyzing. It operates on a 2,400 mAh battery and features a modern Type-C port for charging, which is a great convenience. But here's the key feature that truly sets it apart. It includes overheating protection. For a tools enthusiast, that's not just a nice-to-have. It's a necessary feature that ensures longevity and safety. If you're looking for an ultra-portable duster that won't let you down on safety, the Fanttik B10 Pro is definitely worth a closer look. Number 4. BAOFAON P026 Compressed Air Duster. Now, if the Fanttik B10 Pro was all about lightness, the BAOFAON P026 swings the pendulum back towards serious power capacity. Tipping the scales at 0.7 pounds, it's still highly manageable, but it houses a massive 8,000 mAh battery. This battery enables an impressive 60 minutes of continuous working time. The charge time remains standard at 3.5 hours, which is a good trade-off for the capacity you get. Just like the Fanttik, The BAOFAON P026 also includes overheating protection, pairing a high-capacity battery with built-in safety. Next, we have the ZOAIVR compressed air duster, which seems to strike a balance right between the last two. With an item weight of 9.8 ounces, it's still well below the 1 pound mark, making it comfortable to handle. Its power is supplied by a robust 8,000 mAh battery. This provides an impressive working time range from 13 minutes up to 120 minutes. For a user who needs maximum battery capacity but wants minimal downtime between charges, the ZOAIVR offers a very compelling package. Number 6. Fulljion Compressed Air Duster. The Fulljion Compressed Air Duster model is the answer for anyone whose primary concern is portability and ergonomic design. Its weight of 0.45 kilograms is incredibly manageable. It runs on a robust 6,000 mAh battery and requires just one lithium-ion cell. In terms of convenience, it's a winner, featuring both a USB-C fast charging cable and an AC charging cable included. For the user who needs serious cleaning power in the field or in a consistently mobile setup, the Fulljion's portability and easy charging are its major selling points. Number 7. JVSCAM X3 Compressed Air Duster. Finally, we arrive at the JVSCAM X3, and this unit is clearly designed for maximum efficiency and longevity. The critical feature here is the 130,000 RPM brushless motor. This is the highest RPM motor on this list, and at a very light 0.45 pounds, it's incredibly nimble, making it ideal for detailed work. It features overheating protection, providing necessary safety for a unit running at such high speeds. If your budget allows, and you want the highest possible motor speed, the JVSCAM X3 should be at the very top of your list. And that wraps up my list of the 7 best electric air dusters. Each of these options brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for longer battery life, stronger airflow, or a compact tool you can carry anywhere, there's definitely a model here that can fit your needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to check out all the product links in the description to learn more or grab the one that suits you best.